Si shipende de gu chungwe ter tup te sampe no bu nang bar ten da non jing gya che kyong we gun ti le gi rol so ge do je kam su ten be cho gun cham se kyong nam ge ka wa gya de hu pa kung la re Pun zo de xing a da ge pun zhong che ga sum gi kun la di gi zo de sa be kya che si gi be yun da tu den chou ju ge be zam li yang be ge gyu shi de be la jo pun zhong den de ga che ni wu gi da shi e nang bum du to we si na shu mun be yu le 개구지
I'm not sure if you make him out. He is dangling several hundred feet in the air. He has just unfurled a banner. I can read it. It says, "One world, one dream, free Tibet." Are you the gentleman up on the lamppost?
I am, yeah. My name's Ian, and I've just climbed this lamppost. And I feel like now is a really critical time for Tibet.
No, we don't get Olympic, something chick, Luka chick, Ranzerewa chick, Ichi chick, Nanzo Nyamdo Zomp, Nyamdo Lega chick, Yapa Magica Legap, Ranzerewa Gap, Pemi Relap, KCS Gap, yeah, Nanzo, Pemi, Samo Yaputan, Ichi Yapu chick.
Several different countries to speak out for the people of Tibet. As we speak, over 1,000 Tibetan monks have been preemptively detained by the government of China inside Tibet. This peaceful protest is to highlight the ongoing crackdown inside Tibet, as well as the hundreds of Tibetans who were killed this past March for speaking up for freedom.
Something on Sonya Buya, Gemita Shotire, so he quit, Gemire, Olympic, Nimasha, Olympic, Nima, Gabi Mozart, Olympic, Nima, something when you put down the phone, no, they don't get Olympic, something. Chance. No, we ain't had a chance like this before. We ain't wasting our time like this before. No more genocide, no more prejudice. We wait every day and night. Time to put our fist up and fight. Scream loud, scream for human rights. Trying to build railroads on our main roads. Guns with bullets ready to reload. China time to quit the drama. Please release the pension lama. China under Tibet, believe in karma. There is the end, not to be.
Proud to be Tibetan. We will never give up. We will never give up the truth, because we have truth on our side. And we're so lucky that we have all these Western supporters to fight for us, because this is a non-violent war, and we will continue, and we will go on, and we will be strong, because we won't give up. This is our right.
raising the bass and treble. We just want the world to make the move, prove we're independent to no one else but ourselves. Come on, strike the chord, the note, guitar strums, the vibration oscillates back and forth, causing a decibel change in your eardrums. Call this album enlightenment, a fresher sound, like poetry recitals there with Renaissance in Harlem. But even with a revolution and new ideas, we're still stuck with the same problem. Tibet's occupied by China. We raise our voice for independence, but we're being kept held down by our own co-defendants. Shed a tear for the comfort fighters who resisted, because Mao Zedong said religion is poison and religion is what they defended. Swallowed a pill, but they haven't died. Andrew Gopotashi, my great-granduncle, is a part of me.
5 U.S. citizens are in Chinese custody in Beijing. The Americans, several of whom are students, were detained by police for displaying a protest banner on Beijing's Olympic Green at around midnight Wednesday. The banner, which read "Free Tibet," was made of throwies, which are small LED lights powered by tiny batteries. The throwies inventor, U.S. activist James
There's nothing else we have to fear. This is a new year. It's another rally in front of the Chinese consulate. The officials inside are buying in on their own propaganda. They even think China's business is legitimate. Hearing it, the voices of the people, the masses are coming through. Slogans tossed in the air. China, China, China. Go, go, go. When, now, now, now. UNO. We want justice. Hu Jintao. Go to hell. Demands are not being met. Where else can we go for answers? Tibetans feel like minorities because of population transfer. Railroads connecting the two countries, bringing in more unwanted guests. 6,000 monasteries destroyed since the occupation. Tourist attractions are what happened to the rest. Tibet's fragile ecosystem bombarded with toxic chemicals. Every time air is inhaled, you're holding on to your last breath. They desecrated our holy place with brothels, hotels, and other foreign business. Made Tibetan children orphans of their own tradition, and mothers as simple slaves, while the fathers take on mistress. The monks and nuns are praying on the street. Their bodies are like
the Chinese government has been made to look at the Tibetan issue and the issue of Tibet. It is shown to the world and to the Chinese government that people of conscience around the world will stand up and speak in solidarity with Tibetan people. We're here because Tibetans want us to be, and because this is the right thing to do. I think the one thing that we've learned is that China is trying to show to the world this face that they are a modern, progressing country that's open access for everyone, and it really is not the truth. It's been demonstrated to us time and again while we've been here, and in the last 7 years of this campaign, that the real face of China is not the one that it portrays to the public and to the world. The real face is one that denies freedom of speech, that denies it brutally and violently when it can. I think the Tibetans made their voices heard when they took to the streets in March and April, and I think that people around the world, Tibetans, non-Tibetans, British and people from other countries, have been able to show that they also support the Tibetan cause and the Tibetan struggle for human rights, freedom and justice. This is not the end. This is the beginning.